Lantern Nightlight. Place MDF on the platform. Press the autofocus button to obtain the optimal focal length. Set the laser parameters. Press the Start button to begin the processing. Laser engraving in progress. With GCC's advanced laser technology, every detail of the Lantern Nightlight can be accurately engraved, showcasing unique patterns and intricate craftsmanship. Whether traditional motifs or modern designs, both can be effortlessly realized, allowing you to create a cozy atmosphere with GCC's laser cutting. Sample is completed.